Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
Dropped another couple of degrees. We're at 57 now. And check out the dew point, 46. That's at the airport, and that's so very comfortable. Many places have temperatures that are even lower than that. In inland areas, you have temperatures that are in the 50s. Can't wait for Becky and Mayaka's phone call when she tells me that she's in the 40s. Betcha she says so. We're looking at a northeast wind coming in at about 7. Starry skies out there right now. We have 42 degrees, Mayaka City, 51 in Arcadia and Wauchula, 53, Parrish, Bradenton at 53, Lakewood Ranch at 55. Venice at 58, Inglewood at 57, Longboat at 60. It's a little bit warmer right along the coastline, of course, because of the warmer water there. Dew point values most everywhere across the state are low. In fact, check out Tallahassee. Now, Tallahassee is traditionally a cooler kind of spot. The funneling effect through the higher elevations north of that bring down some cooler, drier air. But check it out, dew point at 39. That's like middle of winter kind of dew points. That's pretty impressive. We have a big ridge of high pressure that's going to be our dominant weather feature today. That high pressure ridge will kind of move to the east over the next 24 hours. That'll shift our winds to the east as well and draw in a little bit more moisture. We'll have a few more clouds around tomorrow. Nighttime temperatures will be a little warmer tomorrow night because of that increase in moisture. And then we'll watch for a surge of moisture that will occur as a low pressure area that seems to be a little bit better organized today, but still limited in its development by the mountains of Central America. As that little area lifts northward and brings more moisture, particularly to South Florida. But even for us, then a frontal boundary approaches on Saturday. With that comes a chance of some weekend rains. So fall weather continues today, warmer tomorrow, and then we'll watch for those weekend rains. That cluster of showers to the south has a 40% chance of development, according to the Hurricane Center. But even if it does develop, by the time it gets close to Florida, those upper-level winds associated with that next front are probably going to tear it apart. We'll look for winds today to be quieter than they were yesterday. Boaters will appreciate that. But later in the evening and during the overnight, watch for another little surge up to about 15 knots or better. So the forecast looks like this for today. A northeast wind at about 10 to 15, surging to 15 overnight out of the east. 2 to 4 foot seas, moderate chop. Water temperature along the coast now at 76 degrees. So we've certainly seen a drop in that water temperature. We'll look for, over the next several days, nice fall-like conditions, a little warmer tomorrow. That chance of rain on Saturday, a pretty good one. And some of the rain at times could be heavy. Total rainfall amounts, though, should not be as nearly as heavy as they will be in South Florida. And then over the course of next work week, some delightful weather.